In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add deposit on Acuity. In order to do that, first head over right here to acuityscheduling.com. Once you're in there, make sure to click onto this Get Started option right here in order to create an account. Or if you already have an account, proceed to click onto this Login option that we can find into this page. So since I already have an account, let me head over and log into that. Here is my account. Now, in order to add deposit, what we can do is we can head over right here into our left sidebar. Into this, you can find the option for the payments. Proceed to click on this payment option. You can also turn on in-person payments if that's what you want. Now, into the payments, you can see all the payments processor that you can actually utilize. I've already connected my PayPal. You can also connect your Stripe as well as your Square. So Square accept in payment for in person with the Square POS and all major cards on your scheduling page. You can click on the disconnect option right here if you wish to connect one that you wish. After you have done that, you will be prompted to sign in into your actual dashboard and to the actual Square. So just follow the on-screen instruction in order to set it up. Now, once you have set up your actual payment processor, next thing you need to do is to head over to payment at booking. Just right here the currency and you can see this option for use the same method for all appointment types. Let's enable this. Now in here, click onto this collect deposits or full payments. From in there, you can choose between full payment, deposit amount, or deposit percentage. For example, let's add deposit percentage of around 20%. Let's add it right here. So in this case, we will actually reduce no-shows. With this, you can also put clients to pay full in advance, or they can also tip full for this. Once you're done, click onto the save right here in order to save your changes. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.